welcome back to my channel. Today's Wednesday, which means it's Walt Disney Wednesday, but today's a takeover. So Clueless Mama D is here to take over, and she will be showing us a very fun tutorial, so make sure you've checked out her channel and click subscribe, and then send her some love in the comments. Make sure she feels welcome here because she's always bringing us some amazing tutorials that I am just in love with. All right, plus they're super inexpensive most of the time, so I love that, don't you? All right, let's get going.
Hi guys, it's Drea from Clueless Mama D, and today, oh, 1 second. Hello? Oh, hi Mickey. Oh, stop it, Mickey. We are going to be making this super awesome, super affordable, and super adorable Dollar Tree Minnie Mouse ears for your cell phone. I love it! I'm all about easy, affordable DIYs. Auntie Tay, thank you for having me back on your channel yet again for a Walt Disney takeover. If you guys don't know who Auntie Tay is, you will love her, I promise, so hit subscribe right now. And special thank you to the people who have watched some of my takeovers and actually came over to my itty bitty Clueless Mama D channel and subscribed there and said hi to me in the comments. I am overjoyed, and I welcome anybody else to do so. That's my son. He's cute and loud at the same time. We are gonna get to this DIY right now. Comment below if you are excited to check this out.
So you'll need a cell phone case, some glitter sticker paper, a ribbon, jewels, scissors, cardboard, and something round to do the mini ears. And I just used cardboard from my favorite almond milk, which comes from Costco. I love it. And I drew my circles for my mini ears. I actually thought I had bought glitter sticker paper from the dollar store, but sticking with my Clueless name, I just got cardstock, so I have to improvise. It will be much easier for you guys to do this if you can find the sticker paper with glitter on it. So after I sized it to the corners, I just cut out the section for the case. And then I did my circles on the glitter paper, 4 of them for each side of the mini ears. Then you also want to trace out the corners on the glitter paper and cut that out as well. Comment below if you've ever made a cell phone accessory before. So once you do that, you want to take the cardboard and shave it down just so it fits nicely within the glitter sticker paper and so that the edges can fold over nicely. And this is me gluing because of my mishap. Thank God for glue. And just shave it down nicely. And just double check that it's going to fit well. And now it's time to bedazzle. I put hot glue on these even though they are the sticky jewels just because I want it to last longer and not fall off all the time. So pretty. Sometimes you gotta just have a little bling in your life. Just glue it onto the corners, and now it's time for the bow. So I had this fun ribbon left over from some DIYs I did in Christmas season, and I thought it was perfect. So I just glue in the middle and glue on top of that, and then fold it over. And then you just scrunch in the middle there. And then I had another little ribbon from Christmas that I wrapped over top of that. This is my easy bow that I always do. And then when you put it on the case, you just want to make sure you're not blocking the area for the camera. So I put it nice and high between the ears. I hope you love these super easy, pretty mini ears for your cell phone case. Please let me know in the comments. I would love to say hi to you here. And you can also pop over and visit me on Clueless Mama D. Thanks, Auntie Tay. I can't wait to do another takeover. Mwah.